Quiz games are fun to make. So today I'm going to show you how to design a math quiz game, an addition quiz game using Thunkable. So I already have the design here. I'm going to walk you through it. So at the top here we can see there's a label, and we're going to be using that to display the question that the user will be asked. This is only, two number addition to make it simple. Underneath that, we have an image that will display either this correct GIF I have here or the wrong GIF I have here based on what the user answers. Here we have a label, a smaller one, that displays the user's answer as they are typing it out, and also displays the correct answer once the user has submitted their own answer. This here is a number pad that the users can use to write out their answers, and underneath that there's a submit button that obviously is going to be used to help the users submit their answers.